Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Auto Resource YouTube channel. Here you can see my own 2014 Volkswagen Passat TDI. Anytime I work underneath the hood, I want to work there, I have to support it with the wooden block because that only supporting strut, which is here, it's completely dead. So in this video, let's go together and replace that. And just show you what I mean with that. Put the lever under the latch here. Now look at it. There's the one shock right here. And that, it's completely kaput. There's all the dirt and oil from it. It's right there in this area. The hood is pretty heavy. I'm kind of surprised. So I got a new part. Hopefully there's a package right there. Now let's go see how easy it is to replace it. And just to put you in perspective how much this will cost you at the dealer. This is California dealer Volkswagen. And the previous people who sold it to me, they gave me one visit estimate where they got the prices for a bunch of stuff. And it has a pictures and explanations, so they got quoted for this. Hood struts. Hood prop failed. Item description. Hood struts are used to keep the front hood up on your vehicle. Reason: if not replaced, the hood has nothing supporting it and will fall every time it is opened. Now, how much the Volkswagen dealer was charging for this repair? Let me scroll through it. And there was all bunch of stuff, but we are dealing with this one right now. So, guys, it shocked me. Maybe it will not shock you, but it shocked me. Hood struts. Hood prop failed. The price before tax, $233.03. $233 for replacing this hood shock. Unbelievable. So when I saw that, and I definitely want to fix it, I like this car in perfect condition. It has low miles, 124,000 miles. At this moment runs like a Swiss watch, really good. So I like the things fixed, especially when it's only few items which needs to be fixed. So it's a TRQ GSA 47885. It's a made in Turkey, which is normal for a Volkswagen group. It's made in all kinds of countries. The transmissions for Porsches are made in Romania. Go figure, right? Where they put the factories for such important items. So this one, made in Turkey, found it on eBay. Not everybody carries for that specific for this Volkswagen. It's very long. Not everybody has it, so it was off eBay. Let's go and see, guys, how easy it is and if we can succeed with this repair. I was using a vice grip when I was working on it. When I fully open it, I just clamped it here. But now we cannot do that because we will be replacing that. So I just need a temporary support for just this job. Is this okay? Should be. This is a bumper. And that bumper should be able to hold it for us. So we have support. And let's go see how quick it will be. The gas part that's on the bottom, and the thin part is on the top. And that should be super easy because the design is incredible. This whole area is on like a little ball or ball joint, whatever we want to call it. And this clip is securing it there. And all we need, little prying, maybe flat screwdriver, pull that metal clip a little bit away, and it's on both sides. You will see. And that releases it, and then you can put the new one there. So I will set up the camera, which will be the best angle. I have to figure it out. for the lighting purpose and so on. And let's see, here you can see the debris, hopefully. And let's see how easy or difficult it is. So let's see, I will use this little pick because the clip, it's staying on. You are not removing it. You just need to slightly lift it like so, and look at it. And the shock is barely doing anything. Yeah, so now the other one. Pull on it, and the whole part, see how easy it's moving? That's the problem. It lost its function, it lost the pressure and the dampening function. So this is gone. Let's look on the new part, on the detail of it. Also, to make it clear and easy for anybody who never did that, this is the clip. I hope you can see it right now. And basically this is all I did. I lifted that clip. As I said, it could be a very thin screwdriver. You're just lifting it this way up, and that helps to release these claws. Pretty sure you can see it. And that's where the ball is. So now we can open the package and install the new part in the vehicle. As you can perfectly see, the new part, the TRQ, is fully extended because it needs to support that heavy hood. Now look at it. It's absolutely impossible for me just here to push it in. To install it, you don't even need the tool because you will just push it on. If you want to be perfectionist like me, you can put a little bit of grease there, but you don't have to. It's just me. I want to have everything absolutely perfect, so it could be squeaking purely theoretically. Most likely not. I saw even some grease a little bit inside, deep down there. So it's probably pre-greased anyway, but it's just me. You know me, I do these things in my videos. So, without any tool, look at it. You will just push it on, and it nicely clicked. Now you just rotate this, and as you saw, I couldn't push on it. So now I have to grab the hood, remove my support, and lift it all the way up. And that's where it perfectly clicked on. Isn't this amazing? And now it should be ready to go down. I tried to, on the table, to push on it, so just be careful. But look, it's completely different holding the whole hood or just trying with the hand push on it. I feel the resistance, but I can see it's reasonable, and it will not, it's not like it will not work. It's nicely going down, and look how it's holding, even in this position. This is fantastic. This part, I didn't say that probably, but it was, I believe, on that eBay, I think it was $35 with free shipping, so and so. Look at it. Let's try again. I absolutely love it. Before it was pretty heavy hood, now one finger. Miracle, don't you think? I absolutely love it. This was worth every single penny, in my opinion. And why the dealer will say this is worth part and labor, $233.03 plus tax. I don't know, don't ask me. Maybe they are so big and they have so many people to feed that they have to charge some crazy prices. I will say reasonable, maybe $100 for a half hour of like a minimum labor, plus if you mark up the part, what you will say, $90 that should cost for someone, and not 233. But it's just my own feeling. Maybe I'm living in my own bubble and I have no clue what's happening around us in this world. On the other hand, I know something. This is fantastic. I'm absolutely stoked. This is completely different situation than always holding it on top of my head and then either putting this or clipping it with those vice grips. I love it. I'm sure you will love it too. If you like these videos, please always give it a thumb up and stay tuned. I have way more coming your way soon. I will be filming anything I will do on this Passat for this channel, so it's coming. Thank you for watching and have a great day, my friend.